All right, so the other trade that we did, we took a little bit of a profit. For the day we're down 313, and I'm just looking to scalp a little bit on this range, long here, short here, maybe take half in the middle. I was explaining just now that the reason why is that NQ got here to our resistance level, right? We're trading at resistance at yesterday's value area high after going through the whole range, and what it looked like an attempt to break higher. And then when I look at the full footprint, I see a big level here, then sold, right? Deltas were positive, then they turned negative, then they sold in this 5-minute candle. We left this untested point of control in that 5-minute candle. So I'm looking for a retest of that at 23, 24, and to get a little bit of a down move. If we hit this level first, which is after this breakout, right? So we had this candle with high volume, then consolidated a little bit. Sellers tried selling, they couldn't. We got more buyers, right? So I'm thinking that if we get here, we're gonna get another set of more buyers pushing it for one last attempt. I don't know if one last, but another attempt to push higher. So whichever hit first, I'm gonna scalp it to the other one. So I have both orders here ready to go, and I'll cover some. I'll close half in the middle and then let the rest go. Let's see if I can we can get it here. I don't know how to show this so I can do both. I want to show the footprint here. There we go. My stop is gonna be at above this candle, close above this candle. So if we close above this candle, then I got filled just now. So what I'm gonna do is cover half in the middle of the range and the other half at that level. See how almost to the tick we see sellers there. Now, does that mean that it's always gonna work or it's always gonna reject that? No. But this is set up that works more times than it doesn't, and we have very limited risk here, right? And potentially we could see a pullback all the way to the point of control. I'm not looking for that much because of the way this market has been grinding higher. So I'm just looking for a quick. Somebody asked me before, how do you scalp? Well, this probably is considered a scalp. So this is a very, what is it, 20 points, 30 points range, 20 something, 22 points. Um, so we're getting almost to the middle now. Oh my god, I was muted the whole time. I can't believe this. I hope it recorded. Did it record? Hello, hello. Yeah, I think it all got recorded. I'll post it later. I was explaining the whole reasoning between this trade for this trade, but I recorded everything, so I'll post it later. So I was muted on the Discord, but the recording, I think, caught everything that I was saying.
Yeah, that's good. Because I realized that, and then I see you were explaining still, so glad you recorded.
All right, here's half, closing half, and the other target is at that level as a 50, 51 and change. We do it at 52. This is a little harder because the trend is up, so you know I'm a little more hesitant to hit this level, but at least we got the half. The risk is reduced. We can put now our stop there just in case. But if you see the entry was to the tick, let's see if we can get the exit to the tick. Come on, let's go. There you go. So now we're down only $10 on that account. So we need to look for. We don't need to, but it would be nice to have another trade so that we can have the four days positive. But you know, those setups are pretty good. Now, if I see volume starts building in and we keep bringing this coming back lower because we have this breakout here, that would be a fake breakout and sellers are gonna start piling up, and then likely gonna come back to the point of control at 20,824. And maybe that midnight level that the NQ likes so much. So I want to see what happens here, right? You see this very thin area. After that we left these are like imbalances, right? Buying imbalances. All this happened at the ask and very little on the bid side. So if we get through this area, I'm thinking that we're gonna see more shorts coming in. But so far, trend is up, so we're gonna wait for the next setup.